Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make bootable device using Baleno Etcher for Kali Linux. So first thing, we need to download Kali Linux ISO. For that, go to a browser, just click Kali Linux ISO. Then you will find the first website as Kali Linux. Go inside it. Then here you have to choose your platform. Do you want for installer image or virtual machine, for R, for mobile, for cloud, for containers, for live boot, for WSL and etc. Right now I want for installer. I click on this. Once you click this, you will get every details which support this installer. And also if you want to Apple Silicon chip, you can choose this, or else Windows system you can choose this. So click on this. It is of about 4.3 GB. Just wait for a few minutes, it will get downloaded. This is the downloading part of Kali Linux. Now you can see the download is completed. So when you check in files, you can see the Kali Linux. So first you have to open Baleno Etcher. Then here just you have to select the ISO file. I'm just selecting the Kali Linux ISO file. Then you have to select the target, that is the pen drive. For that you have to insert a pen drive into the device. Once you insert, it will show you the name like SanDisk. Just click flash here. Once you give, it will ask you the permission. Just say yes. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. It will complete its flash. If there are any permission requirement, if it is asks you, please give yes. That's it. Stay tuned guys. So now you can see the flash is completed. If you want to flash another, you just give flash another, then insert a pen drive, or else just close this window. And that's it guys. Use your bootable device for inserting Kali Linux onto another system. Thank you. Thanks for watching.